lot of movement, a lot of money to be made and lost every single day. So always have a game plan. This is my game plan for Sterling, and I wonder what you guys think. I'm very open to feedback. And next up is my very last pair and one of my favorite pairs, which has made me quite a lot of money for this month, which is the dollar cat. So same thing, start from the H4 chart. I have a resistance, I have a support. So right now I'm very close to a resistance with more downside potential than upside. Okay, that's all I want to know in the higher time frame. Next up, look for patterns. So if you recall, I called for a short around $1 early week, I think Monday or Tuesday. Why is it so? This was a high, so price went down, and this was a clear retracement to resistance. And any short around here, you only have a stop of about 30 pips, and you can potentially at least target previous highs around 60 pips. That's a 3-to-1 risk to reward to risk ratio, which I think is very attractive. Okay, that was what happened last week. Then price retraces up to challenge the $1 mark once again on Friday. Coming to next week, what would I do? So same thing, I try to draw some trend lines to give me some clue. Okay, so to me, if price has to really go up further, I expect it to do a 3-wave correction. So let me clear this. Fibonacci is a bit distracting. So if my on the bullish side, if this is an up move, price should correct in a 3-wave movement. 1, 2, and potentially 3. Okay, I change this color to make it more obvious. Maybe I do it, take a line. Okay, this was my up move. Up move, I have a 1, 2, potentially have a 1 more wave down. Then I'll try to find some Fibonacci support. Right there. You might have a very safe long zone if price ever retraces down next week. So this is bullish trade on the dollar Canadian, pending a correction down one more time. Let me see if this zone is a very nice zone. Yeah, it's not bad. We have a lot cluster of resistance around here, which can potentially turn into a support zone. So if price flushes down here, I have a risk of about 30 pips once again to challenge for at least about maybe to $1, at least about 70 pips. If I'm lucky and hit the jackpot, I can potentially go all the way to about 120 pips. This is the bullish side of dollar cat. What about those who are very bearish on the dollar cat? So I'll clear everything once again, map in my resistance and support. Okay, for those who are bearish on, because in the market we always have two sides of the players. So those who are bearish will be looking at this down 1. Okay, I'll change the colors. Okay, 2. So this is what they are looking at for those bearish players. So you have a very nice structure resistance around here, so they are more prone to shorting this pair. So price does a 1 wave retracement up, now maybe at a 0.2, and the third wave will challenge the March high around 1.0030s. So right over here, this zone here, I'll personally go to the M15 chart and look for reversal patterns like a double top or or head and shoulders before I'm interested to go short in this zone, which I can potentially target at least maybe 50 pips. If price really breaks this trend line, I can probably swing all the way down, which is a home run right about 150 to 70 pips. Okay, all these profit targets are just the best case scenario. So in my opinion, whenever you're happy with your profits, try to take some. So along the way, you can take maybe a quarter of a profit here, a quarter here, and the last quarter here, so that if price suddenly just turn up, your profitable trades will not turn into a loss. That's very, very important. So if you keep on repeating these good practices again and again and again, I believe in the long run you will be a profitable trader. Always keep your losses small and your profits more. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy what I shared this week, and I really appreciate if you guys can just comment, give me some comments, feedbacks on how to make FX Gum a better website which you can benefit for. And one last thing before I end off my video, I hope you guys can help sustain this website by helping me to click on these ads maybe once a day, or if you are this loyal readers who comes to my site every single week, every single day. I checked on Google Analytics, told me that 75 of my readers are recurring clients, recurring readers. So I really appreciate if you think that what I'm doing here is very interesting. First of all, help me click the ads. I made about 20 cents per click, and I have a minimum quota to meet every month, so that the money that I make from this little bit of ads can go into sustaining the website, maybe potentially in the future upgrade to the faster server for you guys. And the next thing is to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and share about our trades in any way you can. Maybe if your friends are traders, or maybe if you are like us, share it on Facebook to just to gain publicity for us. Yeah, this is my personal plea, because I get a lot of traffic every single week, but the ad revenue is a little bit disappointing. And what's more is that we don't charge a single cent for you guys to read what we share here. Obviously, the quality of the content is, to me, quite acceptable. We don't have 100% winning trades, but most of them are very good analysis, and many of them help you guys make some money. So I really appreciate it if you guys could help me clicking on the ads, like us on Facebook, just getting us more traffic. That's all we ask of you. We will not be charging you anytime soon. So with that, thank you in advance, and I end my video analysis for this week. Hope you guys enjoy it. Have a good weekend.